Let's make creamy pesto chicken with pasta. Let's get started. First, we have to make the pesto, and I'm going to toast the pine nuts first. Probably going to spill them. I'm not a good flipper. We will get this done. There's two ways to do that. See, I'm toasting the pine nuts, and then we're going to make the pesto in the food processor. So I'll be back when I get everything ready. Okay, we're going to make the pesto. We're going to put the basil leaves and a half a cup of olive oil. A quarter cup of roasted pine nuts. Garlic. Salt. Together. Oh, we forgot to put it in. That would help. Still learning how to use it. Guess it's done. Okay. Just drop it anywhere. Take this out. We're always having an experiment. Because that's what cooking is. There we have pesto for the chicken. Okay, we'll be back as we put the rest of the dish together. Okay, now we're going to get the chicken cooking. We put the chicken in there. 2 cups of broth. We have 2 pounds of chicken and 2 cups of broth. And then we need a cup of pesto. Get it in there. Put the lid on. We want to pressure cook on high. We want to do it for 6 minutes. Start. So then it'll build up the pressure, and then it'll cook it for 6 minutes on high, and then it will vent until we can open the lid again. Okay? We'll be back. Okay, now the pressure cooker's done, and we can open it. We're going to take the chicken out and put it in a bowl. And then add the rest of the pesto sauce and some heavy cream and some mozzarella cheese. And make a sauce for it. And then we'll serve it over some pasta. And like I always say, cooking is an experiment. I've never made pesto before. Never tasted pesto before. Okay, we got all that out of there. So the chicken is done. To add the rest of the pesto. Cup of heavy cream. And a cup of mozzarella cheese. Get it open. Just a moment. Okay, now I got the cheese in there, and we'll just stir it till it makes a nice sauce. I'll go ahead and wait till it gets a little thicker. Okay, it's done. Looks pretty good, smells pretty good. That's good. Okay, now it's your turn to experiment. See you next time on Taste of Thursday.